Taneti Vanitha is an Indian politician and a legislator in Andhra Pradesh Legislative Assembly. She is an MLA from Kovvuru, West Godavari district. She is an Indian politician serving as the Minister of Home, Prisons, Fire Services of Andhra Pradesh since 2022. She got majority of about 25,000 votes in 2019 general election from Kovvuru. She was elected as MLA from Gopalapuram in 2009. She came out of TDP party due to TDP's stand on AP bifurcation. She joined YSRCP party and contested from Kovvuru. She won the 2009 election on TDP ticket but defected to YSR Congress Party in November 2012. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.